Medical MRI machines and chemical NMR scanners operate on the same premise. They map the world by watching how matter reacts to a magnetic field. Scientists have been using these magnetic resonance techniques to decode chemical structures and biological tissue for decades. But there is a catch. If you place a block of carbon-12 or oxygen-16 into a scanner, absolutely nothing happens. They are magnetically dead. If you swap that out for hydrogen-wide or carbon-14 and apply the exact same magnetic field, they instantly react, snapping to attention like tiny compass needles. Looking at standard atomic mass or electrical charge doesn't explain this discrepancy. To understand why some matter is magnetically alive, we have to look for a hidden intrinsic property. That unique property is called nuclear spin. The name suggests a physical spinning ball creating momentum, but that classical physics concept is entirely and completely incorrect. In reality, it is a quantized, fundamental form of angular momentum known as a spinor. It is dictated strictly by the bizarre laws of quantum mechanics. Because this property doesn't rely on physical rotation, macroscopic logic won't help us here. We have to dive into the subatomic rules governing the particles themselves to find our answer. Inside the nucleus, the primary actors are protons and neutrons. Both of these particles belong to a class called fermions, which means they possess a baseline quantum spin value of 1/2. That 1/2 value is actually a composite total, derived from the 3 internal quarks that make up each proton and neutron. According to the nuclear shell model, these protons and neutrons fill up available energy levels inside the nucleus from the bottom up. The Pauli exclusion principle dictates how they share space. To exist in the same energy level, these nucleons love to pair up. When they form a pair, their spins must point in opposite directions. The positive and negative values completely cancel each other out to 0. A complete atom's total nuclear spin is simply the leftover math from these pairings. It acts as a strict ledger that dictates the atom's magnetic properties. This table outlines the math. In the bottom row, our first rule. Nuclei with an even number of protons and neutrons, like carbon-12, pair up perfectly. Their net spin cancels to 0, leaving the atom completely NMR inactive. The top row shows the second rule. Nuclei with odd-even combinations, like hydrogen-1 or carbon-13. Here, one unpaired nucleon is left over. That single particle gives the entire nucleus a fractional spin and a spherical charge distribution, rendering it highly NMR active. The middle row represents the third rule, odd-odd combinations, such as deuterium or nitrogen-14. In this scenario, one unpaired proton and one unpaired neutron align parallel to each other. This creates an integer spin, an ellipsoidal shape, and strong NMR activity. This odd-even matrix is the absolute dividing line in nature between matter that ignores magnets and matter that reacts to them. So what actually happens when we put an atom with a non-zero spin into a diagnostic machine? The machine generates a massive external magnetic field, which forces these previously chaotic nuclei to choose an orientation. They either align with the field in a spin-up state or against it in a spin-down state. Crucially, these two alignments do not have the exact same energy level. The spin-down state sits slightly higher than the spin-up state. That tiny energy gap between the up and down states creates the perfect target window for resonance. This is the phenomenon that allows us to finally talk to the atom. Resonance occurs when we blast these aligned nuclei with very specific radio frequencies. The nuclei absorb this exact packet of energy, flip their orientation, and then release a detectable energy signal as they return to their baseline state. Reading those released signals has been the foundation of medical imaging and chemical analysis since the earliest days of this technology's invention. The invisible quantum math of canceling nuclear spins allows us to decode chemical structures, invent new pharmaceuticals, and look inside the human body without ever making a single cut.